In today's manufacturing world, data is everywhere, across machines, materials, people and supply chains. But too often, that data is fragmented, disconnected and difficult to act upon. Without a clear, unified view, it's hard to understand what's really happening. Why did a process fail? Where did quality drop? What's impacting yield or safety? That's where ThinkIQ comes in. ThinkIQ is an operating system for intelligent manufacturing that connects and contextualizes data across your entire operation, from the plant floor to the supply chain, turning raw data into actionable intelligence. At the core of ThinkIQ is a powerful data foundation combining a knowledge graph, object model and material ledger to create a shared contextual understanding of your operations. By providing context, meaning and discoverability of data, the ThinkIQ platform drives interoperability at the application layer, which enables scalability at speed and creates the scaffolding that's essential for AI to reason across systems, trace relationships and take meaningful action with confidence. In this demo, we'll show you how ThinkIQ brings all of your data together so that you can see more, know more and make decisions faster. The ThinkIQ platform makes it easier than ever to create a contextualized semantic layer to your data through the construction of a hierarchical process description based on a strongly typed object-oriented model and a knowledge graph that describes the relationship between these objects. In this example of an automotive plant, the high-level process operations are displayed. The current view is of the stamping department. If we now drill in and view the steel receiving unit and press line 1, we can see more granularity where the floor well blanking can feed the chassis press that can then feed the palletizer, etc. This relationship is created in the Model Explorer, where a user can navigate the model, locate, for example, the chassis press, and then create, view and edit the relationship. To connect the platform to a data source, the user needs to simply add a gateway to the model and then add a connector. The platform supports a number of standard connectors such as OPC UA and MQTT, and also has a library of custom connectors to industrial data sources such as various MES and historians, ERP and CMMS systems. Custom connectors can also be created for data sources that don't have a pre-built connector, and there is capability to enter data manually into the platform as well. Once a data source has been connected and data is flowing into the platform, attributes on objects can be connected to available tags. The data can then be trended in the trend viewer. The trend viewer is also accessible from the process layout view of the knowledge graph, where multiple attributes can be trended simultaneously. The ThinkIQ platform also has the power to put behavior on objects in the model through the use of scripts. This then embeds the behavior in the object type that can then be reused across systems and applications. For example, in the Smart Equipment library, we have detailed behavior on the motor type to calculate metrics such as power. In addition to these object behavior scripts, the platform also supports display scripts, which can be used to create a rich variety of user interfaces, such as this summary of the main motor on the chassis press. Alternatively, third-party applications such as Power BI can be used for data visualization. At the heart of ThinkIQ's platform is the material ledger. This is a dynamic traceable record of every material as it moves through your operations, capturing how it's transformed, combined and processed at every step. Unlike traditional systems that track events in isolation, the material ledger creates a continuous connected history, linking materials, processes and outcomes into a single unified view. This means that you can trace issues back to their true source, understand exactly how inputs impact outputs, and uncover hidden relationships that were previously impossible to see. Because every material is fully contextualized, the material ledger provides the foundation for intelligent systems and agentic AI to reason, analyze, and act with precision. The result is complete transparency, empowering better decisions, faster responses, and smarter operations across your entire production lifecycle. With the semantic layer in place, the ThinkIQ platform can now enable agentic AI to make sense of your data. Through a range of APIs such as Sesame's i3x and a ThinkIQ GraphQL API, along with a Model Context Protocol server, AI agents are able to rapidly understand the context of your operations and deliver insights in minutes and hours rather than days and weeks when done manually. More importantly, without a semantic layer, agentic AI will not be able to discover and understand the true meaning and context of the data it is presented with.